who can learn Python? Because some will be from non-IT background and some will be some computer science background. Now the question arises, does a person from non-IT, that is non-computer science background, can learn Python? The answer is yes. See, in this picture, this is not a funny picture. It shows the real life application. See, those who are non-programmers, there is a story, crow and the water. The crow puts small stones and the water comes up. The crow drinks some water and the crow lives away from that position. So that is, the crow has smart thinking. In the case of non-programmer also, if they practice, if they give some good effort, they can learn Python very easily. Even though they have no programming knowledge background also, that is, they are from non-computer science background also, they can learn Python programming very easily. And coming to second, those who are having computer science background like BSc computer science, MSc, MCA, or some other BTech graduates, so BTech students, they can easily learn Python programming. So that both non-IT background or IT background persons can easily learn Python program and they will have a good future, and their career will be also be having a good updated skill. That is the very important point here.